If you're asking how to create an app like Okcupid, here's a general step-by-step guide, covering the product, technical, and business aspects. If you meant something else, like an account or clone script, let me know. 1. Understand what Okcupid is. Okcupid is a dating app and website that matches people based on detailed profiles and personality questions. Uses algorithms to calculate compatibility percentages. Supports both casual and serious dating. Has a swiping feature like Tinder plus questionnaire-style profile building. 2. Define your core features. Here are key features you'd need to replicate or improve upon. User accounts and profiles, sign up, login, email, social media, photo upload, bio, preferences, questionnaire, quiz for matchmaking and discovery compatibility algorithm filters age, location, interests, etc. Swipe or browse features communication, in-app messaging, icebreakers, or prompts, possibly video chat backend, features admin panel moderation, flag report, user bans analytics engagement, retention, etc. 3. Choose your tech stack, app, website, mobile, React Native, Flutter, or Swift iOS, Kotlin, Android Web, React, Angular, or Vue.js. Backend languages, Node, JS, Django, Python, Ruby on Rails database, PostgreSQL MongoDB authentication, OAuth, JWT, Firebase auth hosting, infra, AWS, Google Cloud, or Firebase Media Storage S3 or Firebase Storage. Push notifications, Firebase, or OneSignal 4. Develop the compatibility algorithm. This is Okcupid's secret sauce. You can start with basic weighted matching based on user preferences. Expand to machine learning models, for example. Collaborative filtering, clustering. Use quiz answers, swipes, and interactions to improve recommendations. 5. Design the UI UX. Use tools like Figma or Adobe XD to design screens. Focus on clean onboarding, intuitive browsing, and simple messaging. 6. Privacy and security. This is critical in dating apps. Secure personal data. Use HTTPS, encrypt sensitive info, avoid storing passwords and plain text, moderate content to prevent abuse. 7. Build an MVP, minimum viable product. Start with the simplest version of the product, profiles matching, algorithm messaging, admin dashboard. Test it with a small group of users. 8. Monetization ways to make money. Premium subscriptions, boosts, unlimited likes, ads, in-app purchases, see who likes you, super likes asterisk. Creating an app like Tinder involves building a location-based dating platform that focuses on swiping, mutual likes, and chatting. Here's a full breakdown to help you build your own Tinder-like app. What Tinder is. Core idea. Tinder is a location-based dating app where users swipe right to like, left to pass. When two users like each other, it's a match, and they can chat. The app is optimized for mobile-first fast interactions. Step by step. How to create Tinder. 1. Define your feature set. Basic features. User registration, login profile, setup photos, bio, interests, swipe-based UI, mutual matching, chat system, location detection, notifications. Premium features, optional, unlimited swipes, super likes, boosts, profile, visibility, passport, change location. See who liked you too. Choose your tech stack. Front-end mobile app, React, native cross-platform, Flutter cross-platform native, Swift iOS, Kotlin, Android asterisk asterisk.